welcome to my channel. So I'm Dennis the National. So I'm currently on top of a house roof, the house I'm building for my mom, the bungalow, and I'm currently installing solar, as you can see. So guys, it is so hot up here, and you can see our house is on a hill, so we can just see the horizon. Yeah, so green up here, so green. So that is a school. There's a power, there's electricity in that school, but to get it here we'll have to use a lot of money because it is on the other end. But for now though, I want to install this solar so that we can use it for everything else. Wow, it has been a journey, man, and the roof looks so amazing, But for those of you who have been with me on this journey and who continue to support me in any way by watching my videos, liking, just by liking it helps me a lot, because YouTube tends to recommend videos that have a lot of likes, so many people get to watch and I get to earn something. And if I get to earn something, I get to buy something like this solar. So liking is important. Subscribe if you are new so that we can walk this journey together. The day I'll complete this house 100% and say to my mom that now your house is ready, it will be my happiest day. It is very expensive building a house, especially one as big as this one. Remember, it's 4-bedroom house, but 1 bedroom shall be converted into a store. There's still so much I am yet to do. So much. Even not all the windows are fixed and stuff like that. Not all the floors are plastered. Some are plastered, but some not. Yeah, not even all the walls. No ceiling board yet. I would like to put tiles. It has not been painted also. But otherwise, I thank God for this far I have come. And there's so much you can do when you have faith. Just recently I was a hopeless boy who got fired from his job, and today I am here completing this house for my mom. So in this life, never give up, never give up. And the reason why I sacrificed everything to do this for my mom is because my mom has been with me in the toughest of time, when everyone was not there for me. When that time when everyone says no, or everyone says now this is where we live here to deal with your problems. That is the point that your mom will always be there for you. That is, my mom was there for me at that point when everyone else left. So I'm grateful for her, and that's why I keep doing this. Otherwise, guys, I have so many videos. I am a traveling vlogger. You can watch those as well. But for now, let me fix this solar, man. Let there be light. And on which day God said, let there be light. My village is so amazing, guys, because it is the village that Obama's family comes from. So I'm privileged on that. Yeah, I'm privileged to come from Siaya. Siaya is the county that has the most learned people in Kenya, if I can say. Yeah. Anyway, guys, see you guys. Let me finish fixing this before I fall on the other side. And this roof is very hot, very hot. So it's burning me. So I'll have to end this video from here. Oh, guys, please, if you feel like this is a good thing I'm doing, let me not struggle alone. Please, you can support me financially. If I complete the windows or the doors, or if I do the painting or complete the floor, it takes me one step towards completing this house 100%. So if this story touches you somewhere, please, you can still support me financially. I always leave my M-Pesa details in the description below. My contacts, you can text me, you can call me. I always leave my Patreon link below. You can send me through there if you are not able to access M-Pesa. So my Patreon account is on the description below. Otherwise, guys, thank you, and let's fix this solar. See you guys. Guys, so I am done fixing the solar. Now I feel like I'm an engineer. Engineer Dennis the National. Okay, so I've done fixing the solar. Looks nice. Yep. So now I'm going to get down. Yeah. Mkiona sijapost video nyingine tena mjue nilianguka nikavunjika vibaya sana. But guys, thank you. Like, subscribe. Adios. Yatima kwa kamera ndio domain kama wanafunzi. Mwambieni akija hapa apokee mbili. Sijaona mwalimu hata mmoja.